To transfer points from Chase to Avios, you need to have a Chase credit card that earns Ultimate Rewards points, such as the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve. First, log into your Chase online account and navigate to the Ultimate Rewards portal. Click on the Transfer to Travel Partners option and select British Airways Executive Club, which is the program that uses Avios. You will then be prompted to enter your British Airways Executive Club account information to link your accounts. If you do not have a British Airways Executive Club account, you can sign up for one on the British Airways website. Once your accounts are linked, you can initiate the transfer of your Ultimate Rewards points to Avios. The transfer ratio is typically 1:1, meaning 1 Ultimate Rewards point is equal to 1 Avios. Transfers are usually instantaneous, but it may take up to a few hours for the points to appear in your British Airways Executive Club account. It is essential to note that transfers are one-way, meaning once you transfer your points to Avios, you cannot transfer them back to Ultimate Rewards. To get the most value out of your Avios, consider redeeming them for flights on British Airways or its partner airlines, such as Iberia and Aer Lingus. You can also use Avios to book hotel stays or other travel experiences. Keep in mind that Avios are subject to British Airways Executive Club terms and conditions, so be sure to review the program rules before transferring your points. In summary, transferring points from Chase to Avios is a straightforward process that requires linking your Chase and British Airways Executive Club accounts and initiating the transfer through the Ultimate Rewards portal. By following these steps and understanding the transfer ratio and program rules, you can make the most of your Ultimate Rewards points and enjoy rewards travel with British Airways and its partners.